In the lead up to Australia Day, I'm bringing you classic Aussie rock songs that have stood the test of time and have become iconic pub anthems. That makes some great songs to play on acoustic guitar. Let's see why. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, and welcome to this week's lesson. No Secret by the Angels, put out in 1980 on their album Darkroom. It's one of the great Aussie rock pub songs. It's got a real high tempo, grungy vocals, good heavy rock bass, but this song does translate really well to acoustic guitar. In fact, the lead singer Doc Neeson from the band, he put out an acoustic version where he had some beautiful sort of violin backing. And also Missy Higgins, she's done a acoustic version on a piano, dare I say acoustic, but on a piano. So this song can be played slow or fast, and that's what I like about it. Look, for such a great and popular song, surprisingly, it only made number 8 on the Aussie charts when it was first released back in 1980. But just more recently, in Triple M's top 50 greatest Aussie songs of all time, it made the top 50, coming in at number 50. So it is recognised as one of the great songs over the years, and we're about to see why. Look, from a Campfire guitar perspective, it's a pretty easy one to play. It's got the 4 sort of standard chords, which I'll cover off shortly. And as I said, you can play it fast or slow. So when you're starting out, you can just play it in the slow tempo. I'm going to give you the slow version today because teaching you the song, it's probably easier to learn it that way. And as you get more confident, you can just pick up the tempo. The other great thing about this song is that even if you're not familiar with the song, everyone picks up the chorus straight away and they can sing it at the top of their lungs and just have a great time playing and singing the song. So with that said, let's get into it. If you want to see how I play the song, you can skip to the end of the video where I do a full playthrough. I put up the chords and lyrics at the same time, so you might want to play along with me as well. And one last thing, I do a free song sheet and a one-page PDF download for all of my song lessons. Check out my Patreon page to get access to that. Details are below. In fact, you can download all of my previous song tutorials. They're all there, and I encourage you to do that so you can build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. Now, the chords for the song. Look, before I start with the chords, just remember I'm a left-hand guitarist and I'm playing on a right-hand strung guitar. So that means all of my finger patterns are upside down to a regular right-handed guitarist. But don't let that worry you, because I'll put the finger patterns up there and all you have to make sure is that you've got your fretting fingers in the right spots, and then you can just play along like I'm doing. The song's root note is an E minor, and it's got a G, play an open G. It's got a C, and it's got a D. But it's also got the C add 9. Alright, a little bit different to the C add 9. And you'll see why we use the C add 9, because it makes transitioning between the chords and the verse very, very simple. So that's it, they're the chords. Let's see how they go together. So it starts on the E minor. Amanda the actress, G, waits at the station, to the C add 9. Nothing to do. E minor with downwards on time steps. She's quick to accept. Time to turn and screw. So that's the verse. It's the E minor, G to C add 9. E minor, G to C add 9. Now I'll just show you the intro bass riff, which is pretty cool. I'll just do that for you now. Alright, so what am I doing there? I'm just basically doing the intro on the E minor to a G, to the C add 9, and then I'm picking the A string, which is the second fattest string, the second string. I'm picking that, so I'm in the C add 9 chord position, and I'm picking the second string, being the A string. All right, and then I'm lifting the my bird finger off. So I've got my bird finger on the third fret, then off, and then to the lower E string. All right, I'll do that up close for you. So that's that little bass string lick that sets the song up at the start. You don't actually have to play that through the song, as you'll see when I do the playthrough. You can actually just play it by strumming. So I'll just give you the first part of the verse. Starting on E minor. Amanda the actress waits at the station. She's drifting with nothing to do. Alright, so I didn't have to do any bass lick there. I was just doing strumming. If you get confident doing the bass lick, then throw it in, because it does make for a richer sounding song. Okay, the strumming, it's classic rock strumming. It can just be all down strumming. I'll start with the basic version of the strum first, and it's really 3 sets of 3 down strums. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. Amanda the actress waits at the station. She's drifting with nothing to do. So they're just all down strums. You can play the whole song like that, and of course, if you've if you're amped up, you've got an electric guitar, you can. Down. So that's the basic strum. All right, and the tempo is up to you how you want to play the song. So I'll throw in a little up strum now, just to add a bit more richness to the strumming. So there's the basic strumming and the intermediate strumming for this song. And as I said, I suggest you just do it really slowly first until you get the hang of it, and then you can try and play it at the normal speed that the original song was put out, which is basically rock and roll. Amanda the actress waits at the station. She's drifting with nothing to do. With dilettante steps, she's quick to accept the weather and time's turning screw. She lives in a tower armed with defenses. She's learned from her mother and friends. She walks like a pharaoh, dresses in day glow. When she's in pain, she pretends. 'Cause late in the night, when the lights are all out, she slips off her stockings and shoes. She makes you her lover and lets you discover the smile she keeps for you. She keeps no secrets from you. She keeps no secrets from you. She keeps no secrets from you. Facing the morning, wearing a shadow, she throws a dice in I Ching. Success in Japan, a rescuing man. No, she won't change anything. 'Cause late in the night, when the lights are all out, She slips off her stockings and shoes. She makes you her lover and lets you discover the smile she keeps for you. She keeps no secrets from you. She keeps no secrets from you. She keeps no secrets from you. No secrets from you. Hey folks, thanks for watching. Your audience is really truly appreciated. I know you've got a lot of choice on YouTube. If you got value out of today's lesson, then do give it a like, and remember to subscribe to my channel because hey, I'm doing a series of great Aussie rock songs in the lead up to Australia Day, and that way you can stay in touch with what I put out in the next few weeks, but of course what I put out every week. A new and interesting song every week. And don't forget to download the free song sheet for this song, plus all my other song lessons that I've done on YouTube. Go to my Patreon page, details below, and they're all there for you. Build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. So once again, until next week folks, Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.